In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel a Warrior Plus subscription. Now, sometimes when you purchase a Warrior Plus product, you're automatically subscribed for like a year or so. And I'm going to show you how you can cancel that very, very easily. Now, from Warrior Plus here, we're going to click on Dashboard if you're not already in there. And we're going to click on your name up here in the top right and click on Purchase History. Now, from here, it's going to list all your purchases that you've ever made on Warrior Plus, and in my case, it's a good bit. But here, you're going to scroll down if you need to and see a green arrow that says 1. And if you hover over it, it says a recurring payment. So this is going to show you when this is going to renew, the next payment date. So in my case, it's June 3rd, 2025. So we're going to click on the actual product here, and it's going to pop up, and under sale price, it says subscription details. We're going to click that, and then once that loads, it's going to show up your details here, and then you will click on cancel subscription after that where it says active. So let's click cancel subscription. And are you sure you want to cancel this subscription? This cannot be reversed. Yes, cancel. And then your subscription has been canceled. So let's go back to our purchase history just to make sure it's been completed. And you can see it's now in red. And you hover over it, it says recurring payment canceled. So if you have a good bit of things in your Warrior Plus and you're not sure if you've got subscriptions, just look for the green arrow here that says 1, or I don't know if it might say another number in there. I'm not sure, but just click it to cancel it. So I hope you found this video helpful to you. If you did, click the like below.